The detectives who investigated Jacqueline Vigil's murder resumed their testimony today. 35-year-old Luis Talamantes Romero is on trial for shooting and killing Vigil in her driveway during an attempted robbery. News 13's Ariana Kraft joins us now with the latest.
The jury heard from an APD detective who collected evidence at the scene of the murder and at Talamantes Romero's home, including a Jeep Cherokee and bullet casings. The detective told the jury the Jeep brought into evidence appeared to be the same Jeep driven by Talamantes Romero, but with some changes made to it.
The luggage rack was removed when I photographed and executed the search warrant, so this was no longer present. The fenders as well, the front fenders and the hood were also removed when the execution of the warrant was done by myself.
55-year-old Jacqueline Vigil was shot to death in her car while leaving for the gym on November 19, 2019. Talamantes Romero's defense attorney questioned the lead detective about how detailed the evidence collection was. The APD detective on the stand showed the jury photos of a .40 caliber bullet casing found at the scene of the murder in the Vigil's garage. Another .40 caliber bullet casing was found outside of the Jeep parked at Talamantes Romero's home. According to the detective, those bullet casings were fired from the same gun. A firearm and tool mark examiner was then called to the stand to share her findings when comparing the two bullet casings.
And so in doing that analysis, what did it tell you?
It told me that these two items, they were fired from the same firearm.
APD Deputy Commander Kyle Hartsock was also called to testify today. He told the jury he interviewed Isaac Ramirez about the murder after Ramirez agreed to talking to law enforcement. Back to you.
Oriana, thank you. Earlier this week, Ramirez took the stand to testify against Talamantes Romero. He told the jury he was with him when Vigil was shot.